This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, middle of June 2021. In this quick video, I'm going to be discussing one of our recent picks, and it's done well. So it's kind of slash a celebratory video, and wanted us to take a look at the charts and explain why I thought the stock looked good at the time when I sent out that breakout alert. You can see the stock is mentioned here, June 7th, 2021. For paid Muathe.com clients. Now, if we take a look at the breakout price, so let's take a look at that. We'll see that the stock is mentioned again June 7th, a couple of days ago, and we can see the breakout level for this stock, TRCH, was at 3.12, as you can see here. So that was the weekly breakout level, and I'll show you the chart in a little bit. So here's the chart on the weekly, but first let's take a look at the daily so we can appreciate this amazing move. The stock was highlighted for paid clients somewhere there, and in about 3 days, bang, 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 the stock has more than doubled in price. So an amazing move. So that's why I'm saying slash celebratory slash educational video. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. We can see on the weekly, there is the weekly price level I used, 3.12. And as the stock was coming close to that breakout level, it was time to consider that as a candidate for my clients. All right, now let's take a look at the monthly, which was the main chart for making that decision. We can see the big takeaway. Absolutely, you have to understand this if you are to take advantage of amazing power. The RSI right there, beginning of March, had already moved above 69.1. This is the key. This is the key. This is the key. And we can see here on the monthly chart, there was also a breakout above February's monthly closing high at 2.5-ish level for those who are using that entry. We use the weekly, and we can see here for the month, the stock is up 155% plus. Now, we can also see, yes, that it takes power. It takes bullish sentiment, and that RSI level was key. Also, we can see that the other minimum requirement is the MACD, and clearly, the MACD here is also breaking out to 3-year highs, and hence, this met the minimum requirements. Again, the links to this are going to be in the description. All the minimum requirements were met, and this is what I call the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links are going to be in the description of the video, and you can see whether this method matches or resonates with you. And again, this is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.